Hey there, fellow food lovers! Today, let's dive into the mouth-watering world of pizza. That magical circular masterpiece that's captured hearts and taste buds across the globe. You know, pizza has quite the journey. It all started in Naples, Italy, where clever bakers created this simple yet genius combination of flatbread, tomatoes, and cheese. But who could have guessed that this humble creation would become one of the most beloved foods on Earth? What makes pizza so special? Well, it's like the ultimate blank canvas for culinary creativity. Think about it. From the classic Margherita to pineapple-topped Hawaiian, yes, I went there. There's literally a pizza for everyone. And don't even get me started on the endless debate about thin crust versus thick crust. Here's something fascinating. Americans alone eat about 350 slices of pizza per second. That's right, per second. And globally, we consume about 5 billion pizzas every year. Talk about a food phenomenon. But you know what really makes pizza magical? It's not just about the food, it's about the memories. It's that late-night slice during college study sessions, the Friday family pizza nights, or that perfect first date at your local pizzeria. Pizza has this amazing power to bring people together. And let's talk about that perfect moment when you open a fresh pizza box. The steam rising, the cheese still bubbling, that incredible aroma filling the room. Is your mouth watering yet? Because mine definitely is. Whether you're a pepperoni purist or an adventurous topping explorer, pizza has evolved far beyond its Italian roots to become a true global comfort food. From New York's massive foldable slices to Chicago's deep dish pies, every culture has put its own spin on this versatile dish. So next time you bite into a slice of pizza, remember, you're not just eating food. You're taking part in a centuries-old tradition that's crossed oceans, broken cultural barriers, and continues to evolve while bringing joy to millions around the world. And hey, if anyone tries to make you feel guilty about your pizza cravings, just remember, in some places, pizza is officially considered a vegetable in school lunches. Now that's what I call a perfect excuse to grab another slice.